Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by opening Gemini and signing into the Google account that stores your activity. Once signed in, make sure to grant any requested permissions so Gemini can display history tied to that account. You want cookies and sync enabled. They let the service correlate devices and searches. If using the app, tap your profile. If on desktop, click the account avatar. These first steps let you access the specific history records you'll review next. Once done, navigate to your profile and open settings, then activity or history to view recorded Gemini interactions. You'll see filters. Use date ranges, conversation ID, or device filters to narrow results. This is how you isolate the exact exchanges. Make sure to type clear search terms to pull specific queries, because the timeline can be long. You can also export or copy items if needed. Understanding filters speeds up retrieval and reveals why certain items appear grouped together. You now review entries and decide whether to export, delete, or retain them. Select a conversation to see full context and use export options to save a copy for records. Deleting is immediate for selected items or ranges. If items don't appear, make sure to check which Google account is active, confirm sync is on across devices, and verify permissions. These are common causes of missing history. If problems persist, sign out and back in. Then retry to refresh the history display.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.